Hello, I'm javas3 Sharon, UR15C003. I'm here to explain my first Java program. My first Java program is to find the addition and the subtraction of a complex number. So let me explain how I have done that. First, I have to give my package. So just import java.util.scanner. Since I'm going to get the input during the runtime. I've given the scanner package. So now first thing I'm going to create a class. Now I'm giving my class name as complex, and I'm declaring in Java everything should be declared with a specifier. Data type. So I'm giving public, and here I'm going to declare my R1, R2, that is my real number 1 and real number 2, and since it is a complex number, I'm going to give an imaginary number I1 and I2. So now this is the class, or this is the class complex. Now I'm going to get the data. I'm going to give a function void add and void subtraction. So now let me show about the public void get data. Since I want the output to be given by the user during the runtime, so I'm giving scanner. This is the format, scanner input equal to new scanner system.in. That's why I've used my scanner package here. So R1 equal to input dot next end. And for similarly, I'm doing for number 1, real number 1, real number 2, then and imaginary number, and my imaginary number 2. So I'll be giving as a user, I'll be giving the inputs for the addition and subtraction of a complex number and an imaginary number. So I'm just giving system.out.println, enter the real and the imaginary part. So this is about my void get data. Now I'm going to explain about the sum function and the subtraction function. That is the program. I have to calculate the sum of addition of two complex numbers and subtraction of two complex numbers. So I'm just giving public void sum int r and int I. So I'm going to give I'm going to give a number, real number and the imaginary number. So int r and int I. So r equal to r1 plus r2. That is real number equal to r1 plus r2. Imaginary equal to I1 plus I2. System.this, the number will be after addition. What will be the number? For that, I have given a println statement. Similarly, I am given my subtraction. Just the thing is, the operator will change. Here I have given plus. Here I have given minus. So this is about the addition and subtraction. So now let me explain about the main program. So we have to call all these functions which I have given. So I am going to do that in the main function. So my main function thing will be public static void main strings args. So first thing, now I have to create an object for my for calling the functions which I have created. So I am taking my class name complex c equal to new complex. This is the format for creating, syntax for creating the new object. So with that object c, I'm getting my c get data, c dot sum and c dot subtraction. So this is the program about. So now let me show the running part of this. So running part, let me show it. So it is so now I have to give the number. So I'm just giving 10, 20, 30 and 40. So now we can find that the enter the real part and imaginary part. I have given the real part and imaginary part. The sum is 30 plus I70. That is my imaginary number, and the difference is also given. So this is about my first program. Thank you.